Join me as I take on the challenge of counting from 1 to 1000, but there's a twist, I'll be doing it in different languages from different eras. Let's see how far I can go. Join me as I take on the challenge of counting from 1 to 1000, but there's a twist, I'll be doing it in different languages from different eras. Let's see how far I can go. Counting is one of those things we take for granted, but have you ever stopped to think about how it all began? From keeping track of livestock to balancing our bank accounts, counting has been an essential part of human life. It's hard to imagine a world without numbers, but it's a concept that's evolved significantly over time. Early humans faced a major challenge: how to keep track of things without modern tools. Imagine trying to count your herd of sheep without a pen and paper. It's no surprise that different cultures developed their own unique counting systems. Some used body parts, like the number of fingers on their hands, while others used everyday objects like stones or sticks. The Sumerians, for example, used a hexadecimal system based on the number 60, which is why we have 60 seconds in a minute. The earliest counting systems were often cumbersome and limited. The ancient Egyptians used a system of hieroglyphics to represent numbers, which was great for recording taxes but not exactly practical for everyday use. Meanwhile, the Romans developed a system based on letters, like I, V, and X, which we still see in clock faces and building dates today. These systems worked, but they were far from perfect. As civilizations grew and trade increased, the need for a more efficient counting system became clear. The ancient Greeks made significant contributions to mathematics, including the development of the concept of zero. This might seem like a small thing, but it's a crucial component of our modern number system. The invention of the first numeral systems was a game-changer. Suddenly, complex math problems became solvable, and trade and commerce flourished. The Indian numeral system, which included the concept of zero, spread to the Middle East and eventually Europe, revolutionizing mathematics and commerce. This was the moment when counting as we know it today started to take shape. The development of numeral systems transformed mathematics and commerce, enabling people to perform calculations with ease. Merchants could now calculate profits and losses, and architects could design buildings with precision. The impact was felt across society, from the construction of great monuments to the growth of international trade. In China, the abacus was used for calculations, allowing for fast and accurate counting. This ancient tool was a precursor to the modern calculator and played a significant role in the development of mathematics. As we look back on the journey of counting through the ages, it's clear that this simple concept has had a profound impact on human society. From the earliest tally systems to the development of modern numeral systems, counting has shaped our understanding of the world and driven progress. So, what's your favorite counting method or system? Have you ever used a non-standard counting system? Let me know in the comments. If you're interested in more videos on the history of mathematics, be sure to check out my other content.